How to register for a GCash account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Great Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your GCash app. You can easily download this app from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch it, you will land to this kind of interface. Now to get started, first you'll need to type in your phone number over here. First you select your country code and then type in your phone number over here. After you type in your phone number over here, click on Next. Do you want to link this device to your account? Click on Send Code. Now you will be receiving the code. Enter the authentication code that has been sent to you via SMS. Once you have entered the code in the app, you will be able to complete the registration. Follow through the prompts and enter your personal information such as your name, birth date and email address. Make sure you have your correct Philippine ID handy as you will need it for verification. You'll also need to take a selfie to verify your identity. This will unlock more features and a higher transaction limit on your GCash account. And that's it. All you need is a genuine mobile number and your personal information to sign up for GCash. Well, this is how you can easily register for a GCash account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.